temperature is 21 degrees Celsius and which is 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign turns off. Please take care when you open the overhead compartment as items may slip out. You may not use all electronic devices, including cell phones. However, please refrain from talking on the phone. And please make sure that you take all your personal belongings with you. For example, passport, smartphone, and earphones in your seat pocket. Thank you for flying with us.